Guys, it's Nick from the Low and Outside podcast. Here to review a beer. I visited a brewery with my friends last weekend called Heavy Seas down near Baltimore. Great brewery, nice little quaint spot, plenty of different options to choose from. This was one of their newer ones that they had out, the Oktoberfest Treasure Fest lager. I would give it 2 thumbs up. I really enjoy it. As you can see here, it's very dark copper color. You can see at the top there's a lot of foam residue at the top because when I poured it, it was very foamy. And I think that kind of adds a little element that's cool. Most Oktoberfests, in my opinion, you'd kind of expect a lot of caramel, a lot of toffee kind of flavors mixed in. And it does have that, but it's a lot more hoppy than I guess you would expect, which is kind of cool. So I think as an overall beer, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Excellent quality. It's very smooth. You don't get too much malt, too much caramel, too much hop. Everything is balanced very nicely, and I think that adds to a very enjoyable drink, especially for the fall weather. Take another sip. Yeah, you first get that malt flavor, but then the finish is very laced with a lot more hops and caramel than normal. So overall, 9 out of 10 beer. Highly recommend. Great little brewery down near Baltimore, Maryland. So that's my take on the beer.